Hello everyone, in this video I want to show you job opportunities, like very new job opportunities. These job opportunities are new, so fresh, they were just posted. So I'm just bringing it to you so you can be among the first to apply for these jobs, okay? And these jobs have visa sponsorship, they have relocation package, some have accommodation, some are going to pay for your flight. It's really amazing, and they are in different occupations. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you many jobs in this video in different occupations, so you may want to watch to the end so you can see the opportunities I'll be sharing in this video. If you're just meeting, my name is Jackie. You're welcome to the channel. Do subscribe so you can be seeing more videos like this, and also give this video a like, that is a thumbs up, so this video can reach people that really need this information, and also share the video with others. I want to thank everyone that shares my videos. When I talk to some people, they tell me, oh, someone shared your video with me, my sister, my uncle, a friend. I'm always so proud of my subscribers because you guys share my videos a lot. Thank you so much for that. And do continue sharing the video so we can help as many people as possible. And if you want to talk to me privately, you can do so by sending me an email, and we can talk about your personal needs as regards your relocation goals. All right, so let me show you these jobs real quick. So this job here is for a kitchen helper, and salary is $15 hourly for 40 hours of work every week, and there are two vacancies for this. So now one thing about this job is that you don't need any degree, you don't need any experience. It's written here, no degree, certificate or diploma, experience we will train. So it's like anybody at all can apply for this job, like anybody at all can apply for this job and you can get it. And this is the email address to send your application to. So as you can see here, you can apply for this job from all around the world. Foreign candidates outside of Canada can apply for this. That is the category I found this job. So here is the email address where you send your application for the job if you want to be a kitchen helper. So now, no experience, no education, you can get this job. Like anybody can apply for this job technically. And this job is in Nova Scotia. See, it's Nova Scotia in Halifax. So you can apply for this if you want to move to that province. So next up here is a fish processing plant worker, also in Nova Scotia. Now, all the jobs in this video are in Nova Scotia, and I'm doing this because I previously did another video for a pathway to Nova Scotia, like a special immigration program for people that want to move to the province of Nova Scotia. I'm going to link that video in the description, and it's also going to be pinned, a pinned comment. You can go watch that video so you can know how to move down to Nova Scotia on that pathway. And for that, that is why I'm doing these jobs. So you can get these jobs in Nova Scotia and then take advantage of that pathway, and then let them know in your cover letter or something that you want to apply for that pathway. It's going to make it easier for you to get the job offer. Okay. All right. So let me show you this fish processing plant worker. Salary is $16.25 hourly, and you'll be required to work for 40 to 45 hours per week. And they need 6 vacancies here, so they're hiring a lot. So there's health benefits, long-term benefits, and other benefits with this job as well. And what you need here is secondary school certificate, no experience. They said they will train. So the work environment is noisy, odors, cold, refrigerated, wet, and damp. And you must be willing to relocate, right, to get this job. So this is the task here and the responsibilities for the job. You transport fish and shellfish to work area, condition fish fillets for wrapping or freezing, clean machines and immediate work areas, weigh fish or shellfish, record weight and pack fish in ice, sort fish according to species, weight and destination. All right, so that's what the job is all about. And this is what they're looking for, someone that is flexible, reliable, and a team player. So health benefits here and all of that. So if you want to apply for this is the email address to send in your application. All right, that's the email address right there where you would send in your application to apply. And then also read this, instructions for application as well, so you're sure you are doing it the right way. Okay, so that's that. So next up here is for a continuing care assistant, And these are the details. Secondary school is what they're looking for. So for these jobs, you don't need a degree, right? So if you have secondary school certificate, that is very okay. And then here they need 1 year experience. And then the work setting is urban area, various locations, nursing home, home for the aged, and all of that. Then these are the tasks and the responsibilities. Then for credentials, first aid certificate, CPR certificate, and all of that. So you're going to be needing, it's always good to go through all these information so you get everything that you need for the job. The email address where you're going to be sending your application to, okay? So that's the email address. If you want to apply for this, send your application, your CV, your cover letter to that email address. So next up is a general manager, goods production, utilities, transportation, and construction. And salary is pretty high, 67,000 to 75,000 annually, and it can be negotiated, right? And you'll be working for 30 to 40 hours every week. So there are various locations for this in Nova Scotia, all right? And you need a doctorate degree for this job. Obviously, it's a high level job, general manager, okay? And these are the responsibilities. You're going to be supervising 5 to 10 people, so that's a lot. And then you need proficiency in Microsoft Office. All right. Okay. So if you want to apply for this high level job, this is the email and the instructions on how to apply. So go through that and see how you can apply for this job. So let me quickly show you some other ones. Kitchen helper, another kitchen helper, 5 vacancies here. And for this one, they're asking for secondary school certificate. And these are the tasks for the job, right? These are the things you're going to be doing on the job. And if you want to apply, dental plan is available for this, which is good. So if you want to apply, this is the email address to send in your application to. So that's the email right there to apply. All right, let's see another one real quick. Administrative officer. And still in Nova Scotia, like I said, all the jobs are there because of the other pathway you can take advantage. So, do watch that video. I'm going to leave it in the description and a pinned comment as well. So you can watch that video to know how you can move down to this province on a new immigration pathway. So if you want to apply for this is the email address to send your application to. So you can apply for this job. Let's see another one, bookkeeper. $22 per hour, and you'll be working for 35 hours per week. Secondary school certificates, 2 years experience. These are the tasks on the job. These are the experience and specialization and all of that. So you need to go through it, see the ones you qualify for, and then go ahead to send in your application. So to apply for this is the email address. So just go through all these jobs, anyone you qualify for, send your application, and you can apply for more than one. This is another one, food counter attendant. But please, when you're applying, ensure you have a good CV, because your CV is everything. That they've said no experience, no qualification does not mean that any CV would go through. Still take your time to put up a very good CV, to apply for this job. So here we have it, no degree, no certificate. This is for food counter attendant, right? And you're going to be working in a rural area. These are the tasks for the job. And dental plan, healthcare plan available as well. And this is the email address, okay, a link where you're going to click, and then it will take you to another page to send your application. So do check it out. Ensure you watch the other video on the pathway to Nova Scotia so you can know how to use these jobs, to move down to Nova Scotia province on that immigration pathway. Okay, so that's all for this video. I'm going to be sharing more videos to show you more job opportunities as they come up. So I'll be doing my research to show you the best possible jobs out there that have visa sponsorship. So do give this video a like, that is a thumbs up, and also share it with others so they can take advantage of these job opportunities as well. And do subscribe to the channel if you've not done that already. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Jackie, and I will see you in my next video.